Last night at Konkani Police Station received reliable information that illegal liquor is stored near Kamakshi Beach Resort, Polem, Konkani. Having received the information, ASI Netaji Desai and staff of Konkani Police Station visited the site, and yes, when having visited the spot, they found one Raju Bhima Naik, resident of Polem, Konkani, along with two more persons with illegal liquor stored at the godown with different brands in plastic bags near Kamakshi Beach Resort, Polem. The liquor found is of different brands, and all the liquor is around 1,181 liters, all worth rupees 1,84,240. Now, having done the required formalities of attachment under Panchnama, Konkani Police has forwarded this liquor to the Excise Department, and we have also taken in custody 3 persons: Raju Bhima Naik, Rajendra Narayan Naik, both of Polem, and one Anandu Vishwanath Tadadikar. He is a native of Mazali Karwar. Now, as per the information, what we came to know that this was the illegal liquor which was packed in small cartons and was being transported to Karwar through sea route through a canoe. By the time police could go, there was one person in the sea with the canoe, and the moment he saw that the vehicle is coming, he also must be under guard. He ran with the vehicle, with the canoe from in the sea, and definitely we couldn't catch him, he being in the sea.
The incidence of smuggling at Karwar has been increased these days. Many raids have been conducted, though many raids have been conducted by the SDPO.
See, coastal police are also on a lookout, they are also patrolling, but they have also not found. But yes, we found this activity suspicious, and the moment we got the information, the Konkani Police Station has taken action and has raided. And by the time we could go for seizing the canoe and the person, they have gone fast in the sea.
Is the accused related to any PSI?
Our inquiry is in progress. Until now, no such things have come to our light.
You said about you escaping to the sea. Does it bring about vulnerability of the coastal police? Because the coastal police have been left without manpower and machinery.
That I think you should ask the coastal SP is there. He is taking care of the coastal security. Certain requirements also have been projected for the safety and security of the coastline and the beaches. And definitely they have been patrolling. I also know about it. But you know, they must be taking a little stretch times to see that when no policemen are there, they also must be taking a guard, definitely.